Okay, in this video, pag-uusapan naman natin yung speed of the relative motion or SRM and the direction of the relative motion or the DRM. So, ang video na to ay dapat sunod to sa CPA distance and CPA bearing. Since sa school, ito naman yung mga unang topic na tinuturo sa atin ng mga instructor natin. So, anyways, isasolve din natin ngayon. Okay. So, first is yung direction ng relative motion or DRM since madali lang naman ito. Okay, ganito lang. Lagay mo dito. Align mo dyan. Align mo sa relative motion line. Tapos, dalhin mo sa gitna. At ulitin natin. Yun. So, ano yan? 200. So, the direction of the relative motion or DRM is 200 degrees. Okay? Next is naman yung speed of the relative motion. So, paano nga ba natin i-solve yun? Simple lang. Yun lang yung formula na speed is equal to distance divided by time. So, ang kukunin natin is ito. Ang distance from R to M. So, ito yung distance dito na ilalagay natin. Okay. R to M. Tapos, lagay natin sa scale. Mga 2.2 nautical miles. Okay. 2.2 nautical miles. 2.2 nautical miles. Divided by the time. So, from 0830 to 0836, the interval is 6 minutes. So, ulit, yung 6 minutes, i-convert natin into hours. So, 0.1 hours. Okay, 0.1 hours. Okay. So, 2.2 divided by 0.1 is equal to 22 nautical miles per hour or 22 knots. Okay, ito na yung speed of relative motion natin. Okay, that's it. Follow for more.